I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking a niche and a specific offer. This focuses your messaging and saves time. Once done, build a 50 prospect list with emails, LinkedIn, and website notes. Then craft a short value message tied to your offer. Make it measurable, like a $X audit or 30-day trial. Next, send one cold video to high-value targets, follow with an email, then a LinkedIn DM. Do this today. Early momentum matters and validates whether your offer resonates. Once initial messages go out, implement a 7-step sequence spaced over 14-21 days. Mix short videos, value emails, and LinkedIn touchpoints so you stay present without being pushy. While conversations start, qualify quickly. Ask about budget, decision timeline, and current marketing spend so you know who to prioritize. Make sure to log every interaction in your CRM, tag industry, and pain points. Then score leads 0 to 10. This creates a predictable pipeline and tells you where to double down. To close, offer a short pilot with clear KPIs, traffic, leads, or sales, and a capped fee so the risk sits with you and the client can see results fast. Once pilots convert, scale the channels that worked, increase budgets, widen audiences, and automate follow-ups while maintaining personalization. Track CAC and conversion rates weekly. Make adjustments to creatives and targeting. If outreach yields few meetings, troubleshoot. /B subject lines. Lower your initial ask, or shift to high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.